My father had gotten what I would call similar to, he went to school. That's why my mother never knew him in Europe. Uh, I think he would have like an engineering degree from MIT, you know, and it was very hard to get into the schools. And he was in a business at that time. There were only 3 such businesses in the United States. They made reels and cases for the motion picture industry. That was before everything was digital. And he was the inside man. He designed the tools and the dies and everything else. And eventually he became a partner, and his partner was the outside man. But they belonged to the Arbeiterverband, the labor Zionist group from which Golda Meir and David Ben-Gurion came from, always with the thought of going back to Israel. At that time, it was still Palestine. And someone approached my father and asked if he would entertain the idea of being in charge of the very first refrigeration plant in Palestine. And he said yes, even though it meant taking courses for 2 years, which he took, and he passed. And we were all ready and set to go back to Palestine when September 1st, 1939, we were at the World's Fair in Flushing, and the lights went down in the Polish building. And they knew World War II had started, so we never went. That negated all the plans.